Hello guys, welcome to my drawing video, how to draw a person for beginners. If you've seen my post, check it out. And I'm still a beginner, so hmm, I think to help other beginners to make their drawings more good and look human like this. You start off with a head. If you want, make it more. And what you will do will make this and this. That's the neck. Here is the neck. This is the head. Whatever piece you want. If you want a hoodie, I'm gonna make a second video with a hoodie. And I might fail at this, but it's okay. At least beginners little have little things to be good at. So there's the arm. So if that looks off, just erase that one off and make it look like the one. That's okay. Wait, I'll make it more good. I'll adjust the camera. Oh no. So this is our head and body. We have to do this and then this. Go like and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And the leg should be easy. It's just lines and another line here. And this is my name, okay? You might be wondering how to draw feet, and it's okay if it's bad. You just need to make that and that. I'm the one actually invented this kind of drawing. Do not tell my tito, my uncle isn't very that well at drawing, not at all. And this is the character you've been looking for. If you want to make a t-shirt, do this, and this is the t-shirt. If you want pants, draw pants, or if you want shorts, draw shorts. If you want shorts, just make a line there. And you've been wondering, we will remove onto the legs. Sorry if it's bad. It's my first video, and um I have little to no subscribers,